Yo, right now, so ladies, you don't know. You looking for a good man? We got a few of us right here.
I won't lie to you. I know he's just not right for you.
Yeah, ladies.
And you could tell me if I'm wrong, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation. Anytime you want it to stop.
Let's go!
I know I can treat you better than he can.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Like you deserve that gentleman. Tell me why are we wasting time? Are you wasting time? You be with me.
Come on, baby. You can be with me, girl. Well, you know what?
Drill on the mic, what we tell them. Blame it on the white oak, if I looking like a joke. Blame it on the ruby rich, if I wake up in a ditch. Blame it on that hypnotic, if I like a lunatic. Blame it on that alcohol, when you burst up on the wall. Time to stop the drinking and the driving. When you go in, don't be careful, lose transport to riding. When you pass to the hand, don't know